Hi guys, welcome to on chat show on live chat with Virendra Sehwag for Cricket Buzz. I'm sure you will enjoy this session. And I was hearing your comments. I was reading your comments on Twitter and Facebook everywhere, and I know you are upset. And I will tell you that, and everybody was asking why I retired so early. So I'm taking my retirement back, and I will start playing again, and hopefully I'll come back again. So let's start this chat. First question asked by Zawar. Zawar asked me, do you think Pakistan players deserve to play in IPL? Every player deserves to play in IPL, but it's a choice of BCCI and IPL franchisee. If IPL franchisee will pick the players, they will come and play. Srikar asked, who do you think is best opening pair for India, Dhawan, Rohit or Rahane? I think Dhawan and Rohit is the best opening pair for me because right and left hander combination, and they did well as an opening pair for India. They are playing for last couple of years together, so I think this is the best opening pair. Rihan from Bangladesh asked, why don't guys like Tamim, Mohammedullah and Sabir get a chance to play in the IPL? Sabir, I'll tell you one thing that, and they all were in the IPL auction, but it's depend on the franchisees, depend on the team whom they want. So I think all the franchisee, they have openers and middle orders, so that's why they are not in the team. So hopefully in next year IPL they will come and play for one of the franchisee. Abhishek asked, watching the kind of revolution in cricket, what you will advise or tell something inspiration for the youngster and the future cricketers? My advice to the guys, to the young aspiration, to the youngsters, I can say that, just follow your instinct, work hard for your skills, work hard for your fitness, and be prepared for everything, failure also, for success also. If you prepare better, then you will deliver better. Siddhant Agarwal asks, sir, what makes you so cool even when the situations are harsh? Is that the amazing sense of humor you have? Siddhant, you can control yourself. You cannot control situation. You cannot control conditions. So better you stay calm, stay cool, enjoy yourself, keep smiling. So my father told me one thing: if you smiling, then maybe your destiny will change one day. So that's why, still I'm smiling. Akshay asked, do you think India should start grooming Sharish Iyer in the international stage now? He will. India will do that. You will see very soon. If he perform the way he performed last year in domestic cricket, if he perform well in IPL and in domestic cricket, he will come to the Indian team, and Indian team will start grooming him. Bipin Raj asked, why did you take retirement too early? I just said, I'm coming back from retirement, so wait. Siddhant Agarwal, Deepak. Dhoni lost semi-final last year and yesterday. So what's going wrong when they go into the semis too much overconfident? I don't think so. Dhoni lost the semi-final. It's a Team India lost the semi-final. Team India didn't play well. They didn't do well in batting and bowling department. That's why they lost the well. I think yesterday's game, because of duo, because of those two new balls, those two no balls, because of that, India lost the semi-final. Otherwise, they did well as a batting unit. They started very well in power play, but after that, Dew came in. Our spinners were not able to control the ball, hold the ball properly, and because of those two no balls, India lost the semi-final. I think there are so many questions. I don't think so I can give answers, but I will try. Stay here, stay here. Two more, or three more questions I will take and give you the answers. So stay here, don't go. And I already announced to you, and I will announce one more thing when I'll wrap up this. Dinesh asked me, "What's your opinion on Dhoni's captaincy and batting skills?" He's a good captain. His batting skills is very good. He won the game, so many games to Team India, and I'm sure that in coming years he will win more games for Team India. His captaincy is good, but not in the last semi-final game. So I think he could have give a ball to Ashwin two more overs, and you never know, result could have changed. Abhishek asks, please share your experience on how you felt while doing commentary during the. No. That's I will not share. You keep listening my commentary. If I'll share, then you stop listening me. So I don't do that. That's it. These are the questions. I took it from you guys, and now I just said that I'm taking my retirement back, and I'll play soon for Team India. But that was the April Fool. April Fool banaya, bada maza aaya. Thank you guys. Hope you enjoy the session.